without you. I'm a prisoner of love inside you. I'm falling apart all around you. Yeah. My heart cries out to your heart. I'm lonely, but you can save me. My hand reaches out for your hand. I'm cold, but you light the fire in me. My lips search for your lips. I'm hungry for your touch. There's so much left unspoken, and all I can do is surrender to the moment. Just surrender. And no one ever told me that love would hurt so much. Ooh, yes, it hurts. And pain is so close to pleasure. And all I can do is surrender to your love. Ooh, just surrender to your love. Just 1 year of love is better than a lifetime alone. One sentimental moment in your arms is like a shooting star right through my heart. It's always a rainy day without you. I'm a prisoner of love inside you. I'm falling apart all around you, and all I can do is surrender. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. So now you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Lord, now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd run? Hold my